Confluence is a powerful collaboration and knowledge-sharing tool developed by Atlassian. It helps teams to create, share, and collaborate on projects and documents. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use Confluence. Login and setup. Start by logging into your Confluence account. If your team uses Confluence, you will receive an invite to join. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard with spaces, recent activity, and favorite pages. Create a space. Spaces in Confluence act as work areas or folders where you can store related content. To create a space, click on the Spaces drop-down in the top navigation. Then select Create Space. Choose a space type, give it a name, and set permissions. Create pages. Pages are the building blocks of Confluence. To create a page, click the Create button. You can start with a blank page or use templates for meeting notes, product requirements, etc. Add text, images, tables, and other media to your pages. Organize content. Use the page tree on the left-hand side to organize pages hierarchically. Drag and drop pages to rearrange them. Collaborate and edit. Confluence allows real-time collaboration. Share pages with team members, comment on content, and use mentions to notify colleagues. Click the Edit button to make changes to any page. Search and find information. Use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find spaces, pages, and documents. Confluence's powerful search capabilities make it easy to locate specific content. Integrate and expand. Confluence integrates with other tools like Jira, Trello, and Google Drive. Use these integrations to streamline workflows and bring in external data.